Okay, so this tutorial is going to cover how to create multiple treatment plans within the same volume of data and name them and then save them and be able to toggle back and forth. This is a scan off of the 9600. You can see we're able to toggle your normal processing with MAR processing back and forth right within the same volume. And you can see here we've got 3 implants treatment planned. So once we create our initial treatment plan, we'll go ahead and scroll down to analysis and then go ahead and highlight this box. It will turn blue. You can select edit and then we can add a new comment and call this treatment plan 1. Select OK. That locks it into place. Now we're going to create our new treatment plan and we can call that treatment plan 2. I know, very creative. And select OK. That locks that into place. So now we have 2 treatment plans. We can now highlight the second treatment plan and select OK. And you're going to see that will open up a brand new scan that you can create your second treatment plan with. So I can go ahead and create my panoramic curve. And now I can, let's say, add a single implant in this one. Doesn't really matter which one or positioning, just for illustration purposes so you can differentiate the 2 scans. So now we have a second treatment plan. So let's say we close out of this. Here's our scan. So now when we reopen the scan, it takes us to the last one that we were actually on. So you can see here, this is the treatment plan with the 1 implant. And if we go back to analysis, we're going to see both treatment plans. So we can select number 1, select OK. And you'll see that it's going to go back to the original treatment plan with the 3 implants.